Hi, I am Sumita Tulsiani, co-founder of TravelDilse.com from New Delhi, and we are here to raise 3 CR at 12% equity. The problem that we are trying to solve is holidays and vacations in India till date are predominantly being booked through the traditional route by way of travel agents. It's a very cumbersome and a long process which takes minimum 24 hours to a week's time to close a booking depending on the destination. There is no single effective tool available in the market where a customer can research, plan, customize and book the entire holiday package. Hence, the customers are not able to receive the real-time inventories and pricing advantage. So that's on the problem side. Solution Travel Dilse is an effective e-customized holidays platform wherein a customer can plan and curate their itineraries. They can personalize the holiday package by customizing flights, hotels, sightseeing, activities, transfers, adding visa, travel insurance, all under one screen and get instant confirmations upon booking. So that's more on the solution. The market opportunity, holiday package spendings is worth US dollars 48 billion by this year and expected to grow at a CAGR of 11%. Key statistics, we started operations in 2015 and the cumulative top line till date that we have done is 16 CR. We have booked close to about 200 plus customers. We have curated 2800 plus itineraries. We have a repeat and referral of 36.7%. However, the platform that I just spoke about got launched in November 2018. We have booked 1500 customers so far out of it. And in terms of the deeply integrated, the backend integrations that we have about 1 million hotels, 300 plus airlines, 50,000 plus vehicles and 20,000 plus activities integrated at the backend. In terms of competition landscape, there are two major differentiators that we have. A, we are not a meta search. We do not open various websites of third parties to the customers. Hence, the entire fulfillment of planning, booking and service lies with us. The second differentiator is we are the only one in the market to have a single window customization, unlike our competitors who have multiple windows or tabs or card system. About us, Natesh comes with about 25 years of experience. He's my co-founder and he spearheaded business, holidays business in Thomas Cook and Make My Trip. I come with about 15 years of experience and I've spearheaded the product divisions of holidays in Make My Trip and Thomas Cook again. We raised 3.11 CR through two angels in the past. That was more of a risk capital wherein we invested that amount in technology, created the product and we got the traction as well in the initial stages. Now we are looking to raise the next round. That's more of a growth capital to scale up our model. And close to about 56% will be, it will be diverted into branding and visibility, 21% for further tech innovations, and 17% into manpower resources and 6% into admin. With this infusement of 3 CR, currently we are at 3.3, but with this new infusement of 3 CR, we see ourselves reaching around 30 CR by the end of the next 2 years. So, thank you.
What's your customer acquisition cost?
Currently, it's 1,500.
1,500.
Yeah.
What's your average ticket size of this?
Average ticket size is around 60 to 70,000, and we make about 14 to 15%
Mostly you do international or domestic?
We do domestic as well as international.
What will be the split like?
60% international, 40% domestic.
Can this 3CR infusion, it's going to help you scale up your revenue, but will it also help your unit economics?
Of course, yes. So currently we are at 1,500 and we see it going down to about close to 300, 400 per customer.
Okay, do that through technology?
Currently the digital forums, but we also have a ATL and a BTL in mind post the infusion.
Investors, if I may see your interest a month.
What is the repeat from these 1,500s?
The repeat from this 15, only the online portion is close to about 24%.
24% has booked twice. So 24% of the customers has booked more than once.
Yes. Our repeat and referral is high because our service fulfillment is also at our end. So once they are satisfied with the service, they
So what
kind
is the
of-
USP? So I mean, I understand you get it on the one side, but Make My Trip also gives hotel or air
Right,
tickets on the
right.
one side. So what is your USP? Why you are so special?
So the
As a
basic-
customer, tell me as a if you want
the
to
USP
get me as
that
a
we are
customer.
trying to bring to the table is, there is no effective tool on the holiday side. So we curate itineraries and we also do the fulfillment not only of curating the itineraries, but ensuring that it is being bookable online through us, through our integrations, and at the same time it is serviceable as well. Many a sites you see that planning happens, but the booking happens somewhere else, and then the customer is struggling with the vendors that I'm standard here and there, so the fulfillment is not there.
So itinerary means if I want to go to London and I go to your site, I book Madame Tussauds, this and this, the cruises, hotel, pick up, drop, everything happens on one side
Everything is available under
on one page.
window, under one window. Yeah.
Harsh, you have a question?
First question is, he asked the customer acquisition cost, but what's your strategy around customer acquisition and how do you?
So our current, we have an entire marketing strategy in place which we can share offline as well. However, our go-to-market strategy is both through digital as well as through the offline media.
Have you considered B2B? This is primarily B2C for now.
That's right. So we have the B2B and the franchisee also model into consideration, but the priority is B2C. But B2B probably will join in after a little
Why
later.
not add a MICE to this and do a B2B?
B2B will definitely follow. Post we stabilize with B2C, we have plans for B2B, definitely.
Okay, just have a concern around the valuation. Otherwise, I mean, it's okay. So I'm gonna
The
put a red.
valuation why is because the last round of 1 CR that we raised out of 3.11, so that was raised at 4%.
But, Reliance Capital.
Was that actual cash infusion or was that
It was actually,
Is this a larger round of which you're taking a part, or this is just a fresh round you've opened up?
it's a next round basically.
A fresh round?
The fresh
So
round.
there's no benchmark for this valuation right now? I mean, nobody has invested at this point right now, is it, right? Just clarifying that. Danu, you have something?
Why the restriction at B2B?
Sorry?
Why is there a restriction at B2B?
There is no restriction per se. It's just that our focus area is more on B2C right now. Once we stabilize, then we definitely have a plan for B2B. Post that.
Any plans for B2G? Have you ever thought about it?
As I said, we were focused on B2C right
I'm just asking, yes and no. Have you thought about it? Considered it never.
now. We
Explore. You should explore.
it. We can explore it.
Valuation is a restriction for me as well.
No explanations required. Umesh?
So most travel platforms talk about giving you a cost advantage.
Talk about giving-
Like
cost advantage?
basically,
Yeah.
you get cheaper vacations on a particular platform,
Right.
which is a big attraction for any B2C kind of a thing. So what is your value proposition besides saying that I'll do it all for you in very short period of time, but do you have to pay more, do you have to pay lesser, do you have to pay equal to MMT? What is that value proposition?
So I'll give you a simple example to clarify this point. Easily with travel agents, if we differentiate, there's a difference of 30 to 35% because we get an online advantage of pricing. Now further to add to that, in terms of pricing, if we are talking about for a customer, when we talk about MMT if booking a hotel through an MMT, let's say an XYZ hotel is costing MMT a net rate of 3,000. But there's a condition that MMT cannot showcase that hotel on screen below 5,000. Because that's the condition that the hotel places to MMT. But here in our case, because that's online standalone rate. But if we go to the same hotel, he will give us, let's say, a 3,000 or 3,500 net rate. But we do not have a condition to showcase it at 5,000 because we have a bundled advantage. So we can add up our own markup and maybe sell the same hotel at 4,000. So we have a better advantage of pricing to be passed on to the consumer. So let's say we will be cheaper by 2 to 3% or 5% overall because we have that bundled advantage of online pricing through integrations at the back end.
So this will require basically trial and error by the customer to come to an understanding that yes, you can be cheaper. Normally what
It
happens
will
is
be very,
you...
very competitive if he takes since the package
No,
we
his
sell
question
only,
is, sorry to interrupt. His question is, does it require a lot of trial and error for a customer to figure your system out to make it work for them?
No, because it's very clear from
No, that was not my question. My question was that, so I would use their platform, find out the cost, then I'll find out the cost using several platforms and add it up and then see, oh, they're really cheap. Then obviously I'll become a repeat customer if they are cheap
See,
and
if
it
a
makes my
customer
life
wants
easy.
to do it that way, then definitely he has to do that exercise.
But one more question, did you consider going to banks and becoming their technology or their service provider platform? Like GoIBIBO or any of these people?
As of now, we haven't.
That's a great question.
Because a lot of these credit card companies have these platforms. So for me, it would be great to just to go on HDFC Infinia platform and book everything there, pay with my credit card, I'm done.
Sure.
Decision time,
The valuation is concerned for me.
no explanation required, yes or no?
So I'm okay to give for this for a 25%.
Sorry, what's your offer?
Same what they have asked for 25%.
Okay, 25%. Is that acceptable? That's the only offer you have. Everybody else is a red. Your ask for 25.
The maximum is 15% that we.
15?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, thank you.
So it's been a wonderful experience being here and getting this certificate from India Fund Fest. And at the same time, it's an exposure to meet the investors and get the funding done there and then, rather than, it takes a long time for the fund process. So this is a new experience for us.